morning, everyone. Oh my goodness, it has been a little while since we've done a vlog, what I eat in a day kind of video. So my intention for this video was that I was going to do like a what I eat in a day holiday edition, and I just don't have time to figure that out right now. So we're just going to do a what I eat in a day vlog, kind of just like hang out with me for the day, follow me around, what I do, that kind of stuff. So it is Monday, December 16th. I've been up, it's already 9, but I've been up since like 7 o'clock. And yeah, I made breakfast. I'll show you in a second, but I made my usual breakfast that I always make, the little vegan egg sandwich. I don't have too much to do today. My task for the day was to film this video. I have a doctor's appointment at 1:45. I want to run to Target. That's like it. It's gonna be like more of a chill day, like more of a computer work day, which is good. I have videos to edit, things to do, lots of stuff going on because I'm trying to give you guys so much content for the holidays. So yeah, let me show you guys breakfast. This is my little egg sandwich. It's like chickpea flour, egg patty. There's some vegan turkey into there, vegan cheese. This is the Vermont bread English muffin, and it's the best freaking English muffin in the world. And then these were just some clementines. So before I eat breakfast, I have to tell you guys about what happened last night. So I don't know, this is wiggly, sorry. I rested my little tripod on top of a candle. So last night, I don't know if this was a dream or if I had sleep paralysis. I don't know what happened. So, okay, I woke up at like 3 in the morning because Bella was licking me, which is so annoying because when I wake up in the middle of the night, I cannot fall back asleep. So I hate being woken up in the middle of the night. I'm trying to fall back to sleep, and I don't know if this is a dream or I don't know if this was like sleep paralysis. So I think I hear footsteps coming down the hall, and in my head I'm like, okay, that's my brother. He must be up and something happened. He wants to go down to the kitchen or something. I don't know. Right, I was half asleep, half awake. Then I hear somebody whisper my name twice, and it almost sounded like my sister's voice, and it almost sounded like when someone's trying to wake you up gently, when they're oh, Francesca. And then I couldn't move at all. And it's weird because I was on my back, which I never sleep on my back, and I don't know if this was a dream or if I was awake, but I was dreaming that I was on my back with my legs crossed up in the air, and I couldn't move, I couldn't open my mouth, I couldn't speak, I couldn't do anything. And then all of a sudden, it was whatever happened, this dream or sleep paralysis or whatever, was done. And then I was able to flip and turn to my side. And it was so weird. And it was I didn't know what happened, and it was so disturbing. And I'm freaked out from it. And of course now I'm on not a lot of sleep because I didn't go to sleep till really late because I took a nap yesterday, and that threw me off. I didn't fall asleep till 1 in the morning. And then I had this weird thing happen, and then I had to be up by 7:30 this morning. So very weird things happening. I don't know, have you guys had any experience with sleep paralysis or things like that? I couldn't tell, I couldn't tell if it was sleep paralysis or a nightmare. It was really, really weird. So that's my story for you. So while I eat breakfast, I'm actually going to look over my very fancy schedule. I'm a hand writer. I like to write things by hand. So what I'll do is I'm gonna look at my schedule because I wanna try to go to the food store today to buy everything. So tomorrow I need to film matzo ball soup, and then Wednesday I need to film spinach artichoke dip, Thursday chocolate pudding pie, and then I've filmed everything for all the videos. So I wanna go get all those ingredients so they're just here and ready to go, and I don't have to worry about going to the food store. I'm also leaving to go away on Friday for the holidays. I really wanna kind of bust through these next few recipes, just get them done. So I'll go through that, make my shopping list, answer some comments, and then yeah, we'll get ready for the day, go to Target. So I'm gonna eat, and I'll see you guys in a little while. I'm watching the trailer for season 2 of You. I cannot wait, cannot wait. So good, and I love Penn Badgley. All right, so I just finished getting ready. I just put on a little bit of mascara and some face cream, got dressed, and now I'm gonna go out run my errands. It's around 10:15. I'm gonna go to Target. I'm gonna go to probably Whole Foods and Trader Joe's and get all that stuff done. I'm so tired, honestly. Losing that sleep last night really screwed me over. I just want to go and take a nap, and it's cloudy today, and cloudy days just make me want to sleep. So yeah, I probably won't vlog too much out in public because I get nervous. I don't like to. Also, I feel now it's a thing where they put up signs where it's do not record, photography or video, and I don't want to get in trouble. I'm not a rule breaker, so I'm very rule abiding, and I'm very scared about getting in trouble. Okay, so it is around 12:15. I just got home from all my stores. I'll show you guys everything I got. We'll do a little haul, and I gotta leave in about an hour to go to the doctor's. Yeah, let me show you guys what I got. Okay, so from Target, I got Kite Hill vegan cream cheese. We got some non-dairy whipped cream. They didn't have the usual tripod that I use, so I'm hoping this is gonna be okay. So the tripod that I usually use is like bendy, and I can make it really low and like grip it on things, and it's really nice. I'm like a little bit nervous about this one, but hopefully it works okay. It wasn't that expensive, so let's pray, because I still have 3-4 more videos to film. And we got some ketchup. So then I had to go to Stop and Shop to get matzo ball mix. So I tried to make my own matzo balls from grinding up matzo, like the real matzo, and it did not work. So then I looked at these ingredients and I was like, well, as far as I can tell, everything is vegan, so we're just gonna use these instead. So that'll be a recipe coming up soon. Okay, at Trader Joe's, I got some apples. We got some chopped spinach for spinach artichoke dip. We got artichokes with artichoke dip. Onion, veggie broth, raspberries, green onion, and carrot. And then the last thing, I got some just egg, vegan sour cream, vegan parm, and these sandwich cookies, which are my favorite for making crusts for like pies and cakes. So good. So I'm probably not gonna eat lunch until I get back from the doctor's, because I don't know, I don't want to eat before I go, and I get like nervous to go to the doctor, so I just would rather eat after. So I'm gonna actually make some white rice now, so when I get home it's ready to go and I don't have to wait 20 minutes to make rice. So this is how I like to make my rice. I take 1/3 of a cup of white rice, pour it right in my pot. Then I take a cup of water, pour that right in there. We bring it over to the stove and we say, hi Roxanne, hi Meeps. She's playing with the bag. So we bring it over to the stove. And then I put it on high, let it boil for like 5 minutes, and then we reduce it to like a really, really low simmer and just let it steam out until all the water's gone. So very easy. I don't know if that's really the right way to make rice. Oh, and I'll add a little bit of salt in there, and that's it. That's how I like to make my rice. Okay, I got the camera on the tripod. I think it's a pretty good tripod actually. This is not a vlogging camera in the slightest bit. I should probably get one of those sometime soon, but yeah. I think it does a pretty good job. All right, so it is 1:12. I'm gonna leave in a few minutes to the doctor. I just have to go for like a checkup at my gynecologist, so nothing scary is happening, which I don't really feel like doing. I mean, I don't really ever feel like going to the doctor, but I just would love to nap right now. So when I get back, we'll make lunch. I got that just egg. I'm really moved for like a just egg omelet and like crispy rice. I don't really know why. And then I have some work to start doing. Also, when you're watching this, there'll be a giveaway running on Instagram, so if you want to go enter this giveaway on Instagram, you can. That's going up later today, and I have to do the blog post for the recipe for that post with the company that I'm working with, but yeah, that is that. So I will see you guys once I get back from the doctor's, probably, hopefully by like 2:45. Hopefully it'll only be like an hour that I'll need to spend doing this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while. crazy hair, guys. I didn't dry it last night after I got out of the shower, and this is what it looks like. So I got home from the doctor actually really quickly. Like I was home within like 45 minutes. And then I just wanted to make lunch, which I just showed you me making it. I filmed with the new tripod. I won't know until I edit it. I don't know why. I feel like maybe things are crooked. I hope they're not crooked. I don't know. So now I'm gonna finally eat lunch. Very late, obviously. I'm really looking forward to it though. It looks so good. And I'm just gonna do some work on the computer. I'm gonna probably start editing this video because I'm filming it Monday, but it's going up on Tuesday. So I just wanna make sure this is like ready to go. The giveaway going up later today, so I wanna make sure everything's ready to go for that. And yeah, that'll be that. Everything was good at the doctor. Everything's fine. Everything's healthy and good. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat lunch and that'll be that. This is my favorite time of day when it gets a little dark and I put on my twinkle lights. And usually both puppies are sleeping on the bed. If you follow me on my personal Instagram, then you saw when I decorated for Christmas, but if you didn't, I just kept it really simple. Didn't do anything too crazy because we're going away and whatever, but I just wanted Mary to have a little bit of a Christmas spirit to it. And tomorrow, December 17th, is Bella's birthday. It's your birthday. You're gonna be 3. These dogs sleep on the bed like you wouldn't believe. You little sleepy thing. Look at her. So it is like 7:15-ish. And hi, Rox. Hi. Yes, you could come. So it's like 7:15-ish. I've been doing work. Okay. Yes, hi. I actually have got almost this whole video uploaded so far. You're so loving. You're such an affectionate little thing. Okay. Love me less. And so, okay, I'm gonna have to stand up. So I've got almost this whole video, like up until right now, edited, so that's really good. Yeah, I'm gonna make dinner in a few minutes. I'm just gonna keep it really easy tonight and do leftovers because I don't really feel like cooking. And yeah, that's just really all I've been doing. I was watching these videos though on this weird YouTube channel. Okay, it's called Kate Yup, and it's honestly, it's so disturbing. First of all, she like really quickly eats like seafood, so it's like hunks of salmon and octopus legs, and it's so gross. People think she might be kidnapped and like held hostage, and it's like this whole thing, and I got sucked into a rabbit hole, and I don't really know what I think about it and if I think that she's actually being held hostage or something, but it's craziness. So I'm just gonna keep working a little bit and make dinner, but I'll show you guys when I eat dinner. Here's Roxanne. Say hi, Rox. You wanna say hi? Bella. Bella came in before and she was hiding under the bed. You were hiding. You wanna come? You wanna come? You're almost a birthday girl. Almost a birthday girl. These little fuzzy things, love them so much. It is around 10 o'clock. I've been working on the computer. I've been actually responding to comments. Facebook started this thing now where you can respond to your Instagram comments through Facebook, and it's so much easier because it's so much easier to just type out like saying thank you than texting it a bunch of times because like my hand usually starts to hurt by the end of the day. So I've been saying thank you. I'm gonna go back to working on this video. So that's all done. I'll probably work till about midnight. This has kind of been what's been going on during the holidays ever since like early November, because I just had so much going on and I've been just have a lot of stuff going on, which is good. We want to be busy. I'm just gonna make some tea real quick. I'm gonna make peppermint tea again, and I'm gonna make my little rice cake with peanut butter and a little bit of Enjoy Life chocolate chips on top. And that'll be the last thing I eat today. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I feel like I was singing my teeth. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like vlogs, if you want more vlogs, make sure to give this a like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff helps the channel to grow. I really want to get to 20K by the end of 2019. And we're really close. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Thursday with more recipes. Bye, guys.